Your pre-market summary for Wednesday, October 26. Futures back in negative territory coming off a second straight positive showing for stocks yesterday as we get into the heart of big tech earnings season. Yeah, we get Alphabet and Microsoft after the close yesterday, both coming in below estimates, one on the forecast, one on the numbers themselves. Here comes the market, though, back in the red, as I said, 0.8 right now for the S&P 500. The Dow back in the red as well, 0.05 to the downside. Look at the NASDAQ. Yeah, that's where we're going to see most of the pressure coming off these earnings reports. TSX here in Toronto, the futures anyways, pointing to a negative open. Worth a note, 2 days in a row possibly here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. 2% and 3.6 right now for Bitcoin and ETH back to the upside. That is the S&P 500 or the SPY ETF. Big day yesterday, 3 days higher, straight to the upside, taking out that last high on the day. We are coming back in a little bit this morning in pre-market trading here. It's all about big tech coming off earnings, as I mentioned, from both Alphabet and Microsoft. Downside for both. Google missing on ad revenue numbers. We'll talk about what to expect here this morning. We got all the way down into the 98s aftermarket yesterday. Yeah, not good for both Google and Microsoft. Yeah, the forecast, a bit of a problem for both as well. We'll talk about Microsoft here. Nice look on the daily chart, but yeah, we're coming back in 6% right now for both Google and Microsoft. Tech shares are under pressure as a result, and chip stocks specifically getting hit here. QCOM, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, AVGO, and Micron. Texas Instruments reported their downside in a big way this morning as well after missing estimates. Spotify also downside in a big way after missing estimates this morning on slow ad growth as well. And hey, get ready for an IPO. It's been a while. A large IPO coming today. Intel's Mobileye set to hit the market, pricing 41 million shares at $21 per share. We'll talk about that coming up at 8:30. One more to throw at you here as well to consider. Boeing as well, taking a $2 billion+ hit in their latest quarter. Boeing shares also downside in early trading. Grab the watch list, guys. Use the QR code on screen right now. Then come join us at 8:30. We're live coming up here on TraderTV.Live.